friends, and my dear students. Namaskar. Myself is Professor Sunita Mishra, Dean, School for Home Sciences, Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, that is situated in Lucknow. It is a central university. And as you know, today I am going to say something about what are the avenues in home science for self-reliance. As you all know, what is self-reliance? That means it is the ability to do things and make decision by yourself without needing others people to help you. And you have known the Prime Minister always called for more economic self-reliance. Learning to be self-reliant is very important, and it should be taught when child is at young age, and so it can develop as a perfect independent human being. The present phase of COVID taught us lesson why we should be self-reliant, and it is the versatility of home science subject is well known to students, particularly the girl students, more because self-reliant, and it empowered student very much. Since the subject home science covers a wide range of activities to develop this self-confident and self-reliant personality of the student to face various challenges of life. And there is always some steps why we remain self-reliant. That is, we should accept the responsibility, make our own decision, learn more practical skills, stop comparing yourself with others, recognize and accept you as free, and also how you are able to manage and also look after your own body. And now it is very important what is home science education means. The study of home science helps each people lead a more satisfying personal, family and community life, because the knowledge, understanding, skill and appreciation of culture and spiritual values a people acquire through home science education, and this home science education develop qualities needed for a responsible citizenship. And this home science education help people to recognize the importance of food in healthy living, teaches how to prepare food by retaining its nutrients, and also the importance of balanced diet. It also enables one to sort our family problems and find out solution for them. And also home science education helps one to start self-employment and become a wage earner at very young age, and because the curriculum is so much good, and so it empowers to take intelligent decision concerning the use of materials and resources. The student becomes efficient to nurture and take care of the young to foster their healthy growth and development. But when we talk about this home science, at times we feel very disappointment, because at times some people also say home science means to make food, and we must learn to stitch clothes. What about home decoration? That means a home scientist is a good home decorator, and you must be a art student learning art and craft, like this they used to say. But actually it is entirely different. Actually it deals with different types of you can say family that care for you, and food that we eat, and also the food that we are able to live in, and it is actually deals with the resources that we use, environment around you, and the skill environment that lead for a successful career. And now there is also the measures. Now I am talking about the major goals and philosophy, and also what are the areas in home science. When he talks about the areas of home science, mostly it is there are 5 different areas of specialization of home science. One is food and nutrition, where we can study about the science of food, and also it also deals with different type of family resource management, where managing resources, interior decoration, and also planning is there. There is also science of textile, where science of fabric and garment designing, and also maintenance of fabric we study. There is human development, where the psychology of child to the elderly, everything has been studied. Child and elderly cares, marriage, family relationship, guidance and counseling, and also the last one is communication and extension. It is known as communication and education, where extension education, social science, media of communication, program planning and training, everything has been given importance. These are the main 5 branches of home science. Then comes these are the 5 branches of home sciences. And what is the career opportunities in home science? When we talk about the career opportunities in home science, that is, if it is a food and nutrition specialist, he and she can work in catering management, staff in canteen, restaurant, cook as cafeteria, shop, service staff. That is these are the career opportunity, and he or she can use use the skill to work in some food preservation area, bakery and confectionery, and production, training, all this. And those with interior decoration and family management, they can work with interior designer, furniture designer, and also they can work with showrooms, also conducting all the hobby classes, media management, like this they can work for. And if they are in dressmaking, garment designing, they can design the textile designing, production, textile production, boutique, staff of boutique, and also extension education person, they can be the staff to development, media communication, counselor, researcher, social entrepreneurs, trainers, they can become trainers, facilitators, and also staff in public, good academician, that is also take a very nice staff. And housekeeping, they can do certain facility manager also. Others also we can say, if we go for home science education, then we can be an efficient food processing, food preservation field we can act, nanotechnology in food and textile, both we can also use this skill, health club, fitness club manager, child life specialist, special education also, paraprofessional, parent educator, guidance and counseling developer, early childhood care and education consultant, social worker, counselor, dietetics and nutrition, and also psychologist, to developer, different tools developer. Now it is, we can talk in a brief way what is nanotechnology in food. When we talk about nanotechnology, nano means in food became a broader area of employment now. Nano means a nano food when nanoparticles, nanotechnology techniques or tools are used during cultivation, production, processing or packaging of the food. And there are various materials used for that, that is polyester, polypropylene, ethylene, vinyl alcohol are being used in packaging processes. And it is very nice that the application is nano encapsulation, nano emulsion, nano composite, and also that is known as nano foods composite, nano tube. Lots of descriptions are also there. So what is now, what home science bring in life? Home science covers a few areas with specialization, as I have already discussed: food and nutrition, communication and extension, resource management, human development, fabric apparel science. So home science also involves learning the skill intended. All this useful to our family, to our community, especially the underprivileged, for better life. So when we let's now sum up what is home science. Home science is an art as well as it is a science. Although it is recently developed branch of science, it has achieved tremendous development through years. So when we are now recently, when there are these five major branches in home science with various educational and vocational prospect, and these five major area in home science will definitely turns everyone to be a skill manager. And now I can say, if you take home science as an avenue, you can develop yourself as a efficient academician, efficient manager, counselor, a decorator, home decorator and everything, and its application is innumerable. So thank you. We should start the job, and thank you so much. So namaskar and good wishes, my dear friends.